makita eh. Hindi ko makita eh. Yeah, you're British and the woman beside you is your wife. Congratulations. I would like to personally congratulate the both of you, especially the husband. Excuse me. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, madam. What?
He came here to see you.
Oh, you came here to see me? Why? Do I look like your father? Does your father look like me? Are you looking for him? No. What is your name?
James.
James. Is that correct? Your wife just told me that you came here to see me. Is that right, or is just pulling my leg? Don't pull my leg. Pull something else. I'm just kidding. Is it true?
Yes, true.
Why? Why are you looking forward to seeing me?
When I lived in the Philippines, I really enjoyed the shows when you were on.
So you watch Showtime all the time?
Yeah, when I moved.
Every day?
Yes, yeah.
That's not true. We don't air on Sundays. We only air 6 days a week. How can you tell me that you watch Showtime all week, all days of the week? But it's okay. You watch Showtime every day. So do you know Ann Curtis?
Yes.
She's one of the ugliest personalities in the Philippines. One of the ugliest faces. Oh my God! If you get to see her in person, the skin is so awful. Oh my God! Yeah, and she smells so bad. No, I'm just kidding. Ann Curtis is my sister, and she's a wonderful, beautiful human being. Yeah. So, how old are you? Ate, pa-picture ka na pa-picture. Ano ako ba? Tourist pa? Nakita mo na ikausap ako, diba? Tapos pa-picture na, ginawa akong tourist pa. Okay. What? Thank you very much, but I cannot return the love. You're a woman. I'm sorry, I don't eat seafoods. I only eat century eggs. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll give you a kiss. Thank you very much. How long have you been together?
Since 2013.
20, so ako pa magkukompute. 25 minus 13, 12 years. You've been together for 12 years. How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing so far. So, how was your life? Very active? What part of your married life is very active? Everything, oh my goodness. Can I join the activity? You know, just once a week, no. Yeah, so, thank you very much for taking care of my my fellow Filipina here. And yes, sincerely, honestly, I would like to congratulate you because marrying a Filipina is the best choice, best decision that you have ever made in your entire life. The Filipinos make the best wives in the whole world. Filipinos are very hospitable. And once you have sex with them, you go straight to the hospital. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Why are you wearing glasses? I want to see your beautiful eyes. Oh my God! Amazing. You have 2 eyes. Yeah, just like me. Awesome. Alright. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay. I love you, ate. Mag-ingat ka. Taga-saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Quezon City.
Quezon City? Naku, tamang-tama, bahang-baha ngayon sa Quezon City. Buti na lang nandito ka. Diba? Ano ito? You're giving me a ring? I'm married. What?
Friendship ring.
Friendship ring? Oh, thank you. I can take the ring, but I cannot take the friendship. I've got a lot of friends already. I don't plan to add anyone anymore. No. Why are you giving me a friendship ring? I'm not expecting this.
Because I'm really proud of you. I saw you 10 years ago in London, and you've come a long way, and you're really smart, big-hearted.
Oh my God, thank you. That melts my heart. What?
I hope it fits you.
I hope it does too. Is it real or just... It's real? I will find a way to fit it. Oh my God, perfect. I want the necklace also. It's beautiful. Is it important to you? If it's not, just give it to me. You have to help your poor fellow Filipinos. Yeah, no, thank you. You're Filipino also, di ba? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila? Ay, bahatin doon ngayon! Diba? Kaya ang swerte-swerte natin, diba? Dumating ako dito sa London, slight na loka din ako kasi sabi ko, ay umuulan, ulan ng ulan. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, may flood control naman sila dito. Kaya okay lang mag-uulan, safe naman kayo. Diba? Eh sa Pilipinas kasi, umihi lang si Lord, bahang-bahanan. Okay. I love you too so much. Alam mo, ang kapal ng mukha ko, tinanggap ko talaga yung sing-sing. Parang bigla ko na pag-isip, am I supposed to accept it? Of course. Oh, bakla ka, oh. Sa dinabi-dami ng artistang nag-perform, ako nang nabigyan ng sing-sing. Pa. Yes. Magkano kaya sangla nito? Okay, thank you very much. Okay. I love you too very much. Kanina pa kayo nandito, aga-aga nyung tumating, tama? And we are very grateful dahil up until now, ang taas pa ng energy nyo as if we just started. Give yourselves a big hand. Tamang-tama kong energy. Kasi tingnan nyo, kung sa tuturo itong kamay ko, tingnan mo, magwawala yung tao dahil mataas ang energy nila. Wow! Iba! Party ang mga tao. Since party mode kayo, I would like to invite everyone to stand up. Let's stand up and dance. Do you guys want to dance? Why did you go to the disco? Why did you go here? Okay. So, kung saan ituturo ang kamay ko, gusto kong makita kung paano sumayaw ang mga kapamilya natin dito sa England. I wanna see how you guys move. Paano ba mag-party ang mga Pilipino sa Birmingham? Kasi sa Pilipinas, sa mga tao doon, ganyan-ganyan na lang, hindi na masyadong sumasayaw kasi sila mahihahap ng cellphone. Diba? Pero dito, iba daw mag-party ang mga Pilipino eh. Okay? Tignan ko. So, patugtugin nga natin yung saliw ng kanilang pagsasayaw. Kung saan tuturo ito, patingin lang ng sayaw ha. Patingin ng kapamilya energy. Go! Matakot sumayaw, tatawan ay igalaw. Sige, sumayaw ka! Shake it, huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Shake it, let's go! Yeah! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Let's go! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Yung mga nandun doon, shake it, come on, shake it. Sa likod, shake it, come on, shake it. Sa gitna, shake it, come on, shake it. Taray, iba ang vitamins yata dito sa England. Tingnan mo, may mga senior citizens na pero sumasayaw pa. Sa Pilipinas, 16 years old pa lang, pagod na yung mga itsura. Si Ate, okay. Gusto mong sumayaw? Ay, may ipapartner ako sa iyo para lalo kang sumayaw. Nasaan si Robby Domingo? Robby, pwede mo bang partneran itong si Ate? Kasi iba siya eh, gusto niyang sumayaw. Pwede kang, pwede ka bang, baka maikot pa si Robby? Hindi. Okay. Ano pangalan mo, Ate?
Nemi po.
Nemi? Pangalan pa lang, alam mo, chismosa. Nemesis, ganyan. Nemi, gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa England?
20 po.
20 years na. Ano pong trabaho nyo?
Nurse po.
Nurse din. Ipinagbubunyi ng buong Pilipinas lahat ng Filipino nurses sa buong mundo. Lalo-lalo na ang mga Filipino nurses dito sa England. Ipinagbubunyi namin kayong lahat. Lahat kayo, mga mahuhusay na nurses, mararangal na nurses, mga nurses na may dignidad. Kaya maraming nurses ang nandito na nag-call and sick pero ang totoo wala namang sagot. Gusto lang manood na talaga ng concert. Charot lang. 20 years na po kayo. May asawa po?
Wala po, iniwanan.
Ano po?
Wala po.
Wala po. Bakit? Kasi may plema kayo mga sinasawa. Kung tinura nyo agad yan, baka hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo.
Kapit-bahay.
lumipat sa kapitbahay o hayaan mo na. You deserve someone better.
I don't care. I don't like anymore.
You don't like anywhere. You deserve your love.
Wala kang showtime.
Talaga po. Sino po ang pinaka-paborito niya sa Showtime?
Siyempre po ikaw tsaka si King Chu.
Ah, yes. Siyempre, ang babanggitin ng pangalan kung sino yun nandito. Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Yung iba wala naman dito, wala na silang babanggitin. Sino po?
Pero talaga ikaw tsaka si King Chu lang.
Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Gusto mo ba maging mag-love team na lang kami ni Kim Chu? Pero bukod sa amin, nanonood ko din ng ASAP, gusto kong ipakilala sa iyo, isa sa mga pinakamahuhusay at pinakagwapong host ngayon sa Pilipinas, Robby Domingo. Oh, tinitigan mo, nahiya kang humawak, tapos sabi mo, ay, ang gwapo.
Opo.
Ang gwapo, di ba? Naalala mo bigla yung mga bagay na hindi mo na nagagawa magmula nang umalis yung asawa mo.
Siguro po, pero hindi.
Siguro po. Opo, si Robby Domingo po. So, kayo po ay sumasayaw?
Opo.
Pwede po ba kayong sumayaw with Robby Domingo? Ano po?
Anong klaseng saya?
Kahit anong klaseng sayaw po. Kahit ano, kahit tanggalin mo yung bra mo, wala kami pakialam. Ay, mother, nagpipiro lang. Mother, dahan-dahan lang naman. Ayaw naman namin makakita ng dried prunes. Hindi pa kumakain ng ibang tao. Ano po?
Nakamahubo.
Nakamahubo? Okay lang. So, ready ka? Kahit anong klaseng sayaw, sasamahan ka ni Robby. Pag nagustuhan namin ang sayaw mo, may kiss ka kay Robby. Po?
Lang.
Yakap na lang. Ba't ayaw mo ng kiss?
Kasi
Oy, nalilibugan, pag inalikan, pagpipig.